A powerful storm system is sweeping across the United States today, bringing the threat of severe thunderstorms, damaging winds, heavy rain, and even possible tornadoes in several regions. Meteorologists are closely monitoring this developing weather situation, as millions of people could experience dangerous conditions within the next several hours. From the Central Plains to the eastern states, the atmosphere is becoming increasingly unstable, creating the perfect environment for powerful storms to develop. So which areas are at the greatest risk today? And how strong could these storms become? In this weather update, we will take a closer look at the latest storm developments across the United States and what residents can expect throughout the day. As the new week begins, a large and active weather system is moving across the country. This storm is being driven by a strong low-pressure system interacting with warm, moist air coming from the Gulf of Mexico. When warm, humid air collides with colder air moving down from the north, the atmosphere becomes unstable. This instability often leads to the formation of strong thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous weather. According to meteorological forecasts, several states in the central and eastern United States may experience severe weather conditions throughout the day. Cities across the Midwest and the Mississippi Valley are expected to see increasing cloud cover as the storm system continues to organize. Thunderstorms may begin developing during the afternoon hours as temperatures rise and moisture levels increase. Some of these storms could become strong or even severe. One of the biggest concerns today is the potential for damaging wind gusts. Powerful thunderstorm winds can sometimes reach speeds strong enough to knock down trees, damage roofs, and cause power outages. Heavy rainfall is another concern associated with this storm system.
When thunderstorms move slowly or repeatedly pass over the same area, they can produce large amounts of rain in a short period of time. This increases the risk of flash flooding, especially in urban areas where drainage systems can quickly become overwhelmed. Meteorologists are also monitoring the possibility of isolated tornadoes. While tornadoes are not guaranteed, atmospheric conditions may support rotating thunderstorms in certain regions. These storms are known as supercells, and they have the potential to produce tornadoes, large hail, and intense lightning. As the storm system moves eastward, weather conditions will continue to change throughout the day. Areas that start the morning with calm conditions may experience storms later in the afternoon or evening. Residents across the affected regions are advised to stay informed and monitor weather alerts. Severe weather can develop quickly, and early warnings can help people take the necessary precautions. Drivers should also be cautious when traveling during heavy rain or thunderstorms. Reduced visibility and wet roads can make driving dangerous, especially during intense downpours. Another factor meteorologists are watching closely is temperature contrast across the country. Warm temperatures in the southern states, combined with colder air to the north, create a strong energy source for storm development. This type of setup is common during the spring season in the United States, when weather patterns become more dynamic. During spring, the jet stream often dips southward and interacts with warm moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. This combination can create powerful storm systems capable of producing widespread severe weather. Today's storm system appears to follow a similar pattern.
As the cold front continues moving eastward, thunderstorms are expected to develop ahead of the front, while cooler and drier air moves in behind it. This means some areas may experience storms, followed by clearing skies later in the evening. However, the timing of storms can vary significantly from one region to another. Meteorologists continue to analyze weather models and radar data to track the movement of the storm. Weather models help scientists understand how atmospheric conditions may evolve over time. These models analyze temperature, wind patterns, humidity, and pressure systems across the country. While forecasting technology has improved greatly over the years, storms can still behave unpredictably. Some thunderstorms may weaken quickly, while others intensify unexpectedly. That is why weather agencies continuously update forecasts throughout the day. In addition to thunderstorms and heavy rain, lightning will also be a major hazard in some storms. Lightning can be extremely dangerous and is capable of causing injuries, fires, and power outages. People are encouraged to seek shelter indoors if thunderstorms approach their area. Another potential impact from today's storm system is travel disruption. Heavy rain, strong winds, and thunderstorms may slow traffic and cause delays at airports. Airlines often monitor severe weather closely because thunderstorms can affect flight safety. Passengers traveling today should check with their airlines for possible delays or schedule changes. Overall, today's weather across the United States highlights the dynamic nature of spring storm systems. Large weather patterns interacting across thousands of miles can produce a range of conditions, from heavy rain to severe thunderstorms. For many Americans, today will simply bring cloudy skies and occasional rain, but in some regions, the storms could become much more intense. Meteorologists will continue monitoring radar and satellite imagery to track storm development throughout the day. The key message for residents is to remain aware of changing weather conditions. Severe weather can evolve rapidly, and staying informed is the best way to remain safe. As this storm system moves across the country, weather conditions will gradually improve behind the cold front. But until then, millions of Americans may experience an active and potentially dangerous day of weather.